This guy right here made a simple habit tracking app that is now making him over $26,000 every single month. All right, I know. This might seem like a lot of money for just a habit tracking app, but it is actually real. And in the next few minutes, we're going to be looking at the numbers to prove that. And we will also be talking about a very important concept that most developers just ignore when they decide to build a web app or a mobile app. So if you want to be a better developer and build something that will make you a lot of money, make sure to watch this video until the end. So this is the app I was talking about. It is a habit tracking app called HabitKit made by Sebastian, whose picture you have seen in the intro. So right now on the App Store, so we are looking at just on the App Store. Last month he got, or the app got just $10,000, which is a lot. And this is deriving how much money the app made him just in the last 30 days. So here we have $20,000, all right? But when you go to the Play Store, you see here that he got less than 5,000 downloads, but he still made $6,000. So 6,000 plus 20 is the $26,000 I told you in the intro, so I was not lying. And Sensor Tower, as you have seen me talking about a lot on this channel, is a place where you can see how much apps are making. You can type in any app like To-Do-List app, Instagram, type in any app that you see as an inspiration, so you see how much money it is making, and it will give you real time data. So the point of showing you all of these numbers is to prove something, which is the concept I was talking about. So this is something that, like, when you want to build an app, the first thing that comes to your mind is that, hey, I need a brand new idea. I need to actually build an app that nobody has built before, that nobody has thought of before. So this is the biggest trap that we fall in as developers, and I have fallen into that trap a lot of time before, because I was always trying to build something that nobody built before. All right, so but as you can see, this guy built a habit tracking app, and habit tracking apps has been around for a lot of years. So he didn't bring anything new. He just saw that habit tracking apps are a good concept, and we have a lot of habit tracking apps. So I will make my own, and I will make it kind of different, maybe better, maybe cheaper, maybe faster. So I would just like make something from my own, like from my own angle. So I make the same concept, but my own version of that concept. So this is not only works for Sebastian, it actually works on social media platforms, for example. So before we didn't have something called vertical content until I guess Facebook or Instagram came up with Reels, and then YouTube saw that and they created YouTube Shorts. This is how business works. Like, you don't have to be afraid of copying, because copying sometimes, not sometimes, but most of the time, most of the inventions we have, most of the products we take, most of the things we consume are just like copy and paste from other people, from other businesses. So if somebody or some brand like a BMW made some changes into their car, Audi can copy that with no shame, because that's how business works. Like the same goes with laptops, with microphones, with any product. So as developers, you have to have this in mind. Whenever, if you want to build something, like if you have the ability to build something, don't wait for the perfect idea. Don't wait for a brand new idea, because for most of the time you won't have that. All right, for most of the time you can still build something, but just copy from other people. Copy, like for example, a habit tracking app, or To-Do-List app, or a personal productivity app, or something away, like out of this whole personal productivity concept. Look at some other niches, find what is working, and make your own version of that. And to prove that to you, let me show you an example. So this is a dental management software that me and my friend are working on. So this is just an app that helps the dentists or clinics manage their own patients and things like that. So I haven't created this concept. This was not my own concept. So many people have made this before, and so many people are making this software and making money from them. So what I told myself is that, hey, I can still make this. So even though some people did it before me, it doesn't mean I should not do it. It means that I should work on this concept because it is working and people are making money from, but I have to make changes, like make it different. So when you copy something, don't just copy it and paste it, make it different. So I can make it different from different angles, and that's what I'm working on. So what I have been preaching in this video, I'm actually doing it. All right. So again, please, the point of this video is to actually help you understand that you don't always have to have a new idea. Sometimes just copy something, copy a new app, copy like a whole concept, and just make it different. Because for most of the time, if I'm using this microphone, for example, I don't like something about this microphone. So if some other company made a microphone but fixed what I don't like about this microphone, I can buy it. All right. There is no shame about it. So go ahead, look at some other apps that are working very well and just copy them, but make sure to make them different. Don't copy and paste. This is ridiculous. Copy and improve. This is going to be my advice for you.